Integrating Google Analytics filters is a crucial step in refining your website data and gaining accurate insights into your online performance. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process of setting up Google Analytics filters, explaining key concepts, and providing practical examples and best practices. To begin, it is essential to understand what Google Analytics filters are and why they are necessary. Filters allow you to modify or exclude specific data from your Google Analytics reports, helping you to focus on the most relevant information and exclude unnecessary data. There are two main types of filters: predefined filters and custom filters. Predefined filters are templates provided by Google Analytics, while custom filters are tailored to your specific needs. The first step in integrating Google Analytics filters is to access your Google Analytics account and navigate to the admin section. From there, select the view for which you want to apply the filter and click on Filters. You will then see a list of existing filters, if any, and an option to add a new filter. To create a new filter, click on the Add Filter button and select the type of filter you want to apply. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from your own company, you can select the predefined filter Exclude Traffic from the IP address. If you want to create a custom filter, select the Custom Filter option and define the filter criteria. When creating a custom filter, you need to specify the filter type, such as Include or Exclude, and the filter field, such as IP address or hostname. You also need to define the filter pattern, which can be a specific value or a regular expression. For example, if you want to exclude traffic from a specific IP address, you can enter the IP address in the filter pattern field. It is crucial to test your filters before applying them to your Google Analytics view. You can use the Verify Filter button to test the filter and ensure it is working as expected. This step is essential to avoid data loss or incorrect data. Best practices for integrating Google Analytics filters include applying filters to the correct view, testing filters thoroughly, and documenting filter changes. It is also essential to regularly review and update your filters to ensure they remain relevant and effective. In conclusion, integrating Google Analytics filters is a straightforward process that requires a clear understanding of key concepts and best practices. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can refine your website data, gain accurate insights, and make informed decisions to improve your online performance.